ഇവിടെ നമ്മുടെ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ ഈ പീസ് റാലിയിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കാനായിട്ട് ബാൽ വിദ്യാ മന്ദിരത്തിൽ വന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ആദരണീയരായിട്ടുള്ള മേത്തി കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി ലീഡേഴ്സ് നമ്മുടെ കൂടെയുണ്ട്. അതിൻ്റെ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി പ്രസിഡൻറ്റ് ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മളോട് സംസാരിക്കും. ഐ വിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് ആസ്ക് ഹിം ഹൗ വാസ് ദ റാലി വെൻറ്റ് ഓൺ ആൻഡ് വൈ ദിസ് വയലൻസ് ടുക്ക് പ്ലേസ്. Could you please express your statements?
Okay, thank you, sir. So let me say something, few points.
Yeah.
From last May, 3rd May of this 2023, these cookie groups, suddenly they have planned, they have done so many wrong things.
Yes.
They have burned our localities, houses, looted so many items, like for family items, etc. Then affected here also. So many cookies are here also, in the city also. But in this side, we have, this means Manipuri people, they have burned their houses also like that, in the same way. Actually, it was शुरू किया था ओनली वो लोग ने, इसलिए इसका जो इफेक्ट आ गया है. इसलिए लास्टली हमको रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ गवर्नमेंट इंडिया को और मिनिस्ट्री लोगों को भी, हमको पीस चाहिए. शुरू से हम पीस आदमी लोग हैं, हम मणिपुरी लोग, किसी का कोई दुश्मन वगैरह वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है.
What is your message to the Prime Minister of India?
एक्चुअली सर जो क्या है ना, अभी तक उसने कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन में नहीं दी. इवन सिंगल वर्ड ही इज नॉट सेइंग. हम रिक्वेस्ट करता है एटलीस्ट थोड़ा कंट्रोल कीजिएगा. At least as a leader, as a parent of the nation, please do something for making peace of our state. Okay. We are running. We are very sorry. So I am not able to.
Are you not happy with the Prime Minister's attitude and the
really,
Chief Minister's attitude too?
Chief Minister is, I think, he's nothing to do. No, not able to do everything. He's under the control of central
under
government.
his control.
And so, Honorable Prime Minister,
Honorable Home Minister visited you, and he said there will be peace. He will pacify the situations. But still, this burning is going on.
Yes.
So, what is the message that the world is knowing from Manipur?
Actually, I'm not able to say exact the point, so I'm not planning everything also. But honestly, I want to tell to these people, please do something for the peace of our state. Or it's very tiny state. We are having only 2 MPs.
Yeah.
Don't think don't bargain in the MPs.
Okay.
Please do something as an Indian. We are all Indians. We love India. So please do something for us also. Simply, I want to request to Honorable Prime Minister. We love very much. We love him very much.
Okay.
But please do something for us also.
Okay. Thank you very much for joining with us. Here is the secretary for this Methi Community Society. He will also speak a few words.
Actually, violence doesn't bring anything. We all know that. Our message to the world is like, please, people are dying here. So before it escalates, please do something. So our request to the Prime Minister of India is, please do something. We all know, if you want to do it something, then he can do it. We all know that he have the power to do it.
Do you believe this silent rally will make our Prime Minister stop his silence and open his mouth and do something?
I believe him. He's a good leader. I believe him, but maybe this rally will give him some kind of message to him. But I believe him. He's a good leader. He have a very good position in world global politics. And
thank you so much. We are from Shekinah TV, Kerala, India.
Thank you.
We thank you for this rally. We pray that immediately and soon peace will come on to Manipur, our dear brothers and sisters.
that's we are hoping. Yeah.